All right, guys, we're here back for the finale cooking video tonight of Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Movie 7, Part 2, or Part 2. And it's almost Christmas. It's the last Wednesday before Christmas. We've got a feast tonight. We're going to go all out for the last one. Super fun, some mulled wine, turkey. We're doing more of a faster type cooking. It's not like a whole day thing because it's Wednesday. We've got work. But yeah, we're ready to go. So let's get into what we're doing. All right. So stuffing, gluten-free. We've got this Fort and Mason Christmas pudding. It's super quick. It's gluten-free. We're going to do a whiskey cream sauce with it. Golden raisins are going to be for the stuffing. Obviously celery. We've got our little mulled wine pack here. And we went ahead and just did a table wine, red, and the Christmas at the Biltmore. Biltmore is a beautiful estate here in North Carolina, on western North Carolina. And for the mulled wine, you just need a basic red. It doesn't matter. You're mixing in so many other things with it. Brandy, schnapps. We're going to do whiskey tonight. I'll try and pair a whiskey that I think will go with it the best. But the Biltmore actually was kind of hit pretty hard, along with a lot of people in western North Carolina because of the hurricane. So I figured, why not do a shout out and, support buying stuff from, that area. So yeah, here we are. The turkey's already in the oven and going. It's just a simple one. It's just one of the turkey rolls. It takes about 2 hours to cook. We're doing mashed potatoes and some carrots. So let's kind of get in. It's going to be quick. I just wanted to show you guys some of the process of the mulled wine and some of the feast. All right, so we've got it all in the sauce pot. You just want to get this at a really kind of like simmer, soft boil, and then you take it off the heat for 10 minutes. We've got about a cup of orange juice in there, the whole bottle of Biltmore. We use some brown coconut sugar, a little healthier, 2 tablespoons, and then we use one of these little baggies to just steep in here. All right, turkey's out, a couple hours. We're just letting it rest under here. Celery in with some butter, starting to do the stuffing. All right, guys, looking good. It's all plated, mashed potato, gluten-free stuffing, turkey, and the little marmalade, hot mustard, carrots. We are doing another caduceus tonight. They're Negramaro. We're part of the Velvet Slippers Club, so why not? And we've got it in our little festive glasses. All right, guys, that'll be it. The next video we're doing will be from Europe. You'll just have to tune in on the next video and see where we ended up going for Christmas markets and New Year's. Have a great Merry Christmas. Happy holidays, everyone. We'll see you next time.